Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Katon, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. I love a good spooky craft, especially one that brings a little ghostly charm to the house. This project is simple, playful, and has just the right mix of spooky and sweet. Perfect for hanging up during Halloween, it's one of those decorations that makes you smile every time you walk by. Gather your supplies. Thick white nautical rope, cotton, 3/8, 1/2 in. Sturdy corrugated cardboard. Template, bowl. 4 half-circle tracing. Hot glue gun and glue sticks. Scissors. Googly eyes, large. Button for mouth. G-twine for hanging loop. Halloween flower. Cut the base, trace a half circle on cardboard. Use a bowl or plate, and cut it out cleanly. Lightly mark the center along the straight edge. Plan rope lengths, decide your fringe length, how far you want the ghost to hang. Cut multiple rope pieces to the same length so the bottom line looks even later. Lay the first rope, run a thin bead of hot glue along the curved edge of the half circle. Press the first rope piece along the curve so both rope ends hang freely past the straight edge. These become the ghost's body. Keep the tails even. Cover the curve working inward from that first piece. Repeat. Glue a fresh bead just inside the previous rope and press the next rope down, keeping the ropes snug with no gaps. Continue until the entire cardboard front is covered and all rope ends hang down. Add the face glue on 2 googly eyes and the button mouth near the top center of the ghost. Unravel the fringe below the straight edge. Untwist each rope end to create a soft fringe. Add the hanging loop, cut a piece of jute, tie the ends to form a loop, and hot glue it to the back top center of the cardboard. Make the arms braids. Grab 3 equal pieces of rope for each arm. Braid each set of 3. Secure braid with a knot. Cross the braids in front like the ghost is holding something and tack them together with a small dot of glue. Add the Halloween flower, glue the flower where the arms cross so it looks like the ghost is holding it. And there you have it. Our little ghost is ready to float around and haunt your home in the friendliest way possible. Whether you hang it on the wall, the door, or tuck it into a Halloween display, it's sure to add a touch of spooky charm. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.